Hey everyone, today we're going to test the ASUS ROG Strix XG27UCG display made for pros and avid gamers who won't settle for less than the best in terms of response time and visual quality. This model just debuted, but its contemporary style and wide range of personalization choices have already created a lot of attention. Let's examine its features and see if it meets the audience's high standards. I want to draw attention to an ASUS promotion before we get started. If you're interested, make sure to check it out. Let's now discuss the design. The aggressive yet elegant design of the ASUS ROG Strix XG27UCG makes it instantly noticeable. Its gaming heritage is highlighted by red accent circle on lower stand and the eye-catching RGB lights on the back of the black chassis. The smartphone stand built into the design is a special addition and a well-considered touch. With tilt, height, and pivot adjustments available, display is completely customizable to the user's requirements. Its well-organized ports, which include a headphone jack, USB Type-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI, make it simple to integrate into any configuration. Additionally, VESA 100 by 100 wall mounting or bracket installation is supported. The monitor weighs 6.6 kilograms with the stand included, and its small size makes sure it doesn't take up a lot of desk space. The warranty and user manual are included in the packaging, along with a DisplayPort cable for easy setup. An additional useful feature of the stand is a slot for mounting a camera and a cable management hole. With its IPS display and 4K resolution, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27UCG offers remarkable color accuracy and detail. Sharp images are guaranteed even at near viewing distances because of the pixel size of only 0.155 millimeters. It is perfect for both professional and gaming use because of its matte covering, which reduces glare. Even in well-lit areas, the monitor's 400 nit brightness creates vivid visuals. A dynamic contrast ratio of up to 100 million to 1, in addition to the usual contrast ratio of 1000 to 1, guarantees deep blacks and dazzling whites, giving the image depth and realism. The experience is further improved by the 178-degree wide viewing angles. A comfortable and engaging viewing experience is made possible by the monitor's abundance of features, which include extreme low motion blur, HDR compatibility, flicker-free technology, and low blue light. Real-time adjustments to brightness, contrast, and display modes tailored to particular game genres are possible with the ASUS Display Widget Center. With a 1 millisecond response time and a 160 Hz refresh rate, the monitor performs exceptionally well in terms of performance, guaranteeing fluid gameplay even in scenarios with high action. The software and ergonomics of the ASUS ROG Strix XG27UCG are likewise excellent. The monitor is also energy efficient, using only 0.3 watts when off, 0.5 watts in eco mode, and about 30 watts in standard operation. To sum up, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27UCG is a powerful display that achieves the ideal harmony of usefulness, performance, and image quality. With features that meet a variety of purposes, it's a flexible option for both professionals and gamers. This model is unquestionably worth taking into consideration if you're searching for a monitor that enhances your gaming experience and produces breathtaking pictures. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.